How to use a UnitedHealthCare UCard at Walmart. So you can use it to access specific benefits such as purchasing over-the-counter items or using your card for eligible food and grocery purchases if your plan allows. Here's how we do it. First, you want to check your UCard benefits. Before shopping, verify what your UCard covers by logging into your online account and checking the UCard hub on the website. Some UCards cover over-the-counter health products, while others may include grocery or utility assistance based on your plan. You want to visit a Walmart store. You can use your UCard at Walmart for eligible purchases. Make sure you go to the pharmacy or grocery section depending on what your UCard covers. Here you can pause and read through more information. If you want to use your UCard for OTC purchases, in the pharmacy or OTC section, look for eligible health products such as cold and flu medications, vitamins and supplements, first aid supplies, personal care items like toothbrushes, toothpaste, or bandages, and select the items you need. How can you use your UCard for grocery purchases? If your plan includes grocery benefits, you can use the UCard at the grocery section for healthy food items. Eligible items often include fruits and vegetables, dairy products, whole grains, lean meats, or other proteins. Again, you want to check your plan details to know what food categories are covered. How can we check out? At register, inform the cashier that you will be using your UnitedHealthCare UCard. Swipe your UCard at the payment terminal just like you would a regular debit or credit card. The system will automatically apply your UCard balance to eligible items. If you're purchasing both eligible and non-eligible items, you will need to provide an alternate form of payment for non-eligible items. Online shopping at Walmart.com. In some cases, you may be able to use your UCard to purchase OTC items on Walmart's website. You need to check your specific plan to confirm if this option is available. And you want to track your UCard balance. After you purchase, keep an eye on your UCard balance. You can track this by checking your balance on the UnitedHealthCare UCard hub and reviewing the printed receipt, which may display your remaining balance after the purchase. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.